welcome to Holify. Today we're going to do a quick overview of the basic features of Holify and how you can use it for your advertising purposes or content creation. So if you don't know about Holify, we're a collaboration tool for content creators and advertisers to work together. All right, so let's just jump into it. We'll try to keep this short. With Holify, you've got your main dashboard page. On your dashboard is a quick jumping off point to different parts of the platform. So here you've got search functionality to jump into. You've got the ability to jump in to create listings, some of the offers and proposals that may be outstanding, quick widgets to help you set up and optimize your account, and then matches. Matches are important. Matches are different types of content creators that align with your brand and your advertising objectives. So your advertising objectives and your brand will be found under showcase pages. This is how all the matches are calculated and how we can bring them to you. So you jump onto your showcase page and you can see some of the important features here. Obviously, there's a general overview, but audience and audience demographics are used for matchmaking, and then listings. The types of listings you have also help with the matchmaking capabilities. So that way you surface that up on your dashboard and find out who you want to work with directly. One of the other features in here is the transactions. So in transactions, these are pending, in progress, and history. You can quickly see like what you sent, what you received, and what needs to take action on. And then some of the other features on Holify is going to be the search. So here you can search for different content creators. Pages is usually the best one to use. Some of you will have access to the premium content creators or a premium feature. But for the most part, everybody uses Pages. In here is a quick jumping off point. You can see some of the different content creators that you may want to work with. Once you find a content creator that you want to start a project with, you simply tap on their page and that will take you right to it. You can see that they have a variety of different brands that they want to work with. And so if these align with your brand, you simply tap whichever one that is to make an offer. Otherwise, even if you don't, you tap on any and then you initiate the make an offer. So make an offer here, we'll start a contract with them, and that should load pretty shortly. Here you will see some of the features of making an offer. What is the overall objective and brief of that offer? Some of the requirements, and such as show your product clearly or mention your brand name, and then the amount. Once both of the entities agree on the terms of these two, then the money is held in escrow until the project is agreed upon by both parties, and then the funds are released. So it provides a nice seamless tool for you to collaborate with each other, knowing that money is held and both parties are going to be held accountable to make sure that the transaction goes through. So hopefully that gives you a quick overview of Holify and some of the basic functionality and features of it. For more, check out our YouTube channel and check out some of our videos. Please like and subscribe and check us out for more. Thanks.